get through, but still ends up in the hands of Ryukyu. Matsuaki shot off the mark. Kirk with the second chance opportunity. Here's Kishimoto bringing it up, facing a 3-point deficit. And almost loses it, but pass.
They couldn't get players to hit the shots from outside, so that's something you should be looking for today.
For sure. Here's Kirk. Kirk screen. Arakawa and Matsuaki faked it. Now goes for the fadeaway. It's short. Kirk. There's the finish. Here's Kirk. Kishimoto. Bounce pass. Kirk. Oh, and he gets it to go. Onodera, defended by Hodge. Now switching. Back to Kirk here inside. And Kirk with the finish. Calling for a foul, too. The Bolts 55%, so both teams leaving points on the board. Kirk gets the bounce there. Jack Cooley inside to Kirk. Kirk gets it to go. He's been lights out from the perimeter today. Takahama inside to Cooley. Cooley trying to back in against Romero. Left hand, can't finish, but Kirk with the putback.